Hello, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This video is more of a plant identification question. I have a peach tree. I wanted to see if anyone knows a variety with this kind of leaves. This one is from a seed I bought at the grocery store, so I don't know which variety it would be, and I would like to know. Has beautiful purplish purple leaves. Last year the leaves started like that, but then they turned green, so I'm thinking it's gonna turn green again, because you see these are turning green, but I'm not sure. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe, so I will be uploading more videos. And hopefully next year I can show you the fruit that this tree produced. Hopefully it does produce fruit, because you never know when you grow them from seed. And I'll keep you updated. Thank you for watching.